previous shot of emptiness was 8:30 when the builders turned up, and now at 1:30 when they're put on the head for lunch, it's all come off. So we're digging a trench for the footings. We found the old septic tank. Not the line, is a mild inconvenience. That beam's coming out because that's going to be going across there. We are cooking on actual gas. Exciting times. Day one done with some of the septic. That's the floor. All the beams that were there are now gone. Over there, with the exception of this one, which has been repurposed. Holes for the beams are done. The concrete's coming mañana por la mañana, so that means in the morning. We're going to pull the footings, put the beams up, put the blocks up, and things. Still blows my noggin that that's what the floor's been made from. Good day.